All right, so here's how to remove an old window to replace in order to install the new ones vinyl replacement windows. It's fairly simple. All you have to do is remove this outside window stop. That's if it's a wooden double hung, then it's fairly easy. Um, in order to take the sashes out, you gotta remove this window stop on one side. The way I do it is I remove one side first, and I work the perimeter of the window. In this case, these sashes are fairly easy to open and close. So I'm gonna do the bottom part first, and from here I slide the sashes down, and I do the. Sometimes these sashes could be painted shut or glued. Like when they do the painting, they don't, they don't make sure they loosen them up before the paint dries, so it gives them kind of glues them to the track. So here I'm gonna take care of I'm gonna loosen the track from the staples that are holding it in place. Um, I'm skipping to remove the top, and don't do this. I made a mistake by bending the track. That didn't allow me to come out easy, so I'll have to force it out with my screwdriver. But it's simple. I just forgot to not to bend it, and and it's out. 3 minutes, less than 3 minutes to take the sashes out, and then the next step is just to finish up removing all the window stop all the way around. It's 4 screws, two at the bottom, two at the top, and next is just caulk the outside, that new metal to the brick, and window to the metal. That's how you do a window. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Thanks.